So today is another work day on my rig. It is oil and filter change, air filter change, gas fuel filter change, and also we're gonna have to change out my brake fluid, but we'll do that tomorrow. And Ronnie has found a leak. It's an oil leak, and I swear I've had that thing fixed twice, but he's gonna take a look at that. May not be able to get to it all today, and in the meantime I am going to switch some things out from my hitch all to my side compartment and see if I can help with the weight back there, because he's going to help me. It's still riding a little bit like this, and he's going to help me straighten it up.
Getting about one tooth, that's about all I can turn it.
Tedious, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so Ronnie is headed to his rig to see if he has a fuel line, because evidently mine cracked while he was trying to change out the fuel filter. And the fuel filter that was in there definitely needed changing out. This one isn't as black as some I've seen, but it's cracked and needed replacing. I'm not sure, and he's not sure why the fuel line cracked, but now we get to replace that. And he cannot, he doesn't have the time before the end of the year, and he needs to hit the road as well to replace my rear seal on the oil leak. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I travel with lots of oil and keep that checked. So today was supposed to be a simple day. Today was supposed to be just getting my hitch all straightened out, which we haven't even touched, and an oil and filter change and an air filter change, and the fuel filter change. It's always something. Okay, so Ronnie just got through draining the brake fluid out of the compartment because it was really dirty. That is how dirty it was. Black, black, black. We didn't get to finish up yesterday, so he finished the fuel line that broke, and I'll show y'all that piece that broke in a minute. So he was putting the fuel filter in, and that broke, and we got that fixed. And then today he's draining the brake fluid, gonna put new brake fluid in, and then we haven't gotten to the hitch haul yet. Bless his heart. It's just like one of those things where the jobs just keep growing, and I'm so grateful for him. He said the brake fluid was in the compartment was really dirty. So now we are going to, not we, my friend Ronnie is going to use his compressor. That's the line right there, and suck it out through the brake lines, and it has gone from this like dirty black scum pond oil to beautiful golden oil. Amazing. Okay, so the other thing we're doing is, see this piece up here? That is my vent hood thing, and the flap stays open, so we're changing it out. Jana has the new one, and so that flap stays down. You can clasp it. I don't know if clasp is the right word.
Lock it in place.
I'm not using right words today, but it can be locked in place. I don't need it open because it has a little bit of vent to it anyway, and it'll have a nice white cover. So yay.
Yes, and here's about had it.
It was about to disintegrate, wasn't it? Ronnie is beginning work on straightening up the hitch, and he found out that the hitch is not attached to the, what is it?
The bumper's not attached to the frame.
The bumper's not attached to the frame, and so he's checking it out, and there was a secret hidden box, and it's got something in it.
Nut on it.
Had a wing nut on it.
And so he has to remove this before he can.
It was inside the frame here.
It was inside the frame where it's broken.
Inside the frame where it's broken. It's been broke for a long time.
What do you think's in it?
Probably a key. Or diamonds.
Yeah.
We're going to pay for all these repairs
Ready?
right now. Right now. We're going to pay for all of it.
Ready?
Diamonds. Yes, go. Holy. What is that?
That's a whole set of keys.
Oh my gosh. It's like every key to my rig.
Yeah.
And
Well,
it was
there's the engine key and door key.
and it
for
was hidden
sure.
up inside the frame?
Yeah.
That is insane.
Where it's
With a wing nut where it's broke. That's crazy.
There's that. No, that goes to your electrical box.
That's crazy.
whole
Well, and I
set.
didn't have an extra set to my electrical box,
there's
so there you
another
go. You want me to pump it for you?
Nah, I just make sure I was going to hit the right spot. Come and get me. I hear sirens.
Yeah.
It's because of the hidden boxes you keep finding. I offered and he said no.
I can do it. Now that's like doing exercises.
Yeah.
Okay, well, headed back to camp. Ronnie is just an angel. My hitch haul, what was supposed to be a simple straightening the hitch haul, turned out to be the entire bumper frame was broken away from the RV frame, so he had to weld frame to frame. And he replaced that outside vent vent for me because that flap was broken and the air was just blowing through, and that didn't fit, and he had to scrape away, take out some old and replace it and drill new holes. This old girl, my Phoenix, you know, she doesn't make anything easy, but I still think she's worth it. And I'm so blessed by so many wonderful people in my life. I just can't believe it. I'm sorry this is shaky, but because we took the doghouse off and everything for him to fix the fuel line and get to the carburetor and then also replace the air filter, I don't have my camera set up again, and I just wanted to close out this video and say that everything is done. I'll check my tires and everything before hitting the road, and I don't know when that'll be, maybe in a week or two. But you know, y'all give Ronnie some love in the comments below because he is an earth angel. And who else can find a welder with a 1-ton compressor out here to drain brake lines? I'm just so blessed and blown away. I love you guys. Thank you for being on this journey with me. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and share a video or two. Help me out. All right, love you. See you down the road and keep on keeping on.